Hello, here we are. Halloween, October 31st. You can see we had our first snow. I'm on the mission of the trail. As I look around, you can see, yeah, a little snow. All that beautiful foliage, that beautiful colors. There's a little bit of it lingering around, but the majority of it is all gone. Yes, start to bring on the fall look, but it's still just as gorgeous as ever. Each season carries its beauty. And I need for you to check this out. I need for you to look at this. Look at this. Look at the snow on the bridge. But also, others are out here too walking, trying to enjoy some of this beautiful weather. It seems like it's very cold, but it's really not that bad out. But I want you to take a moment to listen to the sounds of the music of the water. Truly, honestly, I cannot think of anything that could be more cleansing for the soul than this beautiful sound of water, brook running water. Beautiful blue sky, Mother Nature at its finest. I could stay here for hours to no end, just being soothed and cleansed by this beautiful water and the absolute beauty of the sun that's shining down from that gorgeous, gorgeous blue sky. But I must move on. So here's to where my future is going to go. Right straight on down that path, right through this beautiful, beautiful trail. Taking in more, seeing more, being humble and thankful for what has been given to me. Until next time, bid you good day.